My name is Eric Donovan with Aries Defense, and today I'm going to show you the standalone OverWatch Android application. Currently, this tablet is connected to one of our OverWatch systems. I'm going to open up the application. The main screen of this application just pulls the video feed. As you can see, it's my book bag and one of the OverWatch demo kits. At the top of this application, you've got a status bar. It tells you whether this tablet is recording the video feed and whether or not motion is being detected by the system. So I'll go ahead and trigger the system with my hand here. You can see we're getting live motion alerts. Some of the other functionality on this screen is I can manually press a screenshot button down here to take a screenshot of the live feed. I can also use the recording button to record this live feed. These are manual options. Later I'll show you how to automatically set snapshots and video recording for when motion alert triggers that functionality. You can go and view those snapshots and recordings we just took by going to the Files page. Up here at the top you can see I'm selecting the recordings. I can also go select snapshots. If we select one of the recordings, some functionality becomes available. We can delete recordings. We can rename them. I'll go ahead and rename one of these files to testing. And we can also play the file. So we can play through the video. We can seek through any point. We can change the playback speed depending on your frame rate. You may want to. Sometimes when you're recording a very low frame rate video, the video seems like it's sped up, so you can speed it faster or slower. You can also just cycle through your recordings with the previous and next buttons. Same sort of functionality with the screenshots. You can select a screenshot, you can view it to really kind of inspect some of the elements you see in the screenshot. Lastly, I'll go show you some of those more advanced settings with the system. So you can hit settings, and these are the settings for this tablet. So we call them OverWatch preferences. Up at the top you can see you can change the IP address of the OverWatch system you want to connect to if you have multiple in your tactical network. There are other settings like recording video and taking snapshots when motion is detected. You can also have an audio alert when motion is detected. And this device supports vibration, some haptic feedback, so we'll go ahead and turn that on. You can add your own MP3 files for whatever sort of audio alerts you want. You can change other things such as style of snapshot and the orientation you'd prefer to view this app in. So we'll go back now that we've changed to those settings, and I'll trigger the system. You might have heard that audio klaxon. We're now automatically recording and snapping pictures whenever a motion event is triggered. We'll go view at files. You can see the file name is appended with an A for automatic in being manual. And also you can see in here the snapshot was also automatically taken. So you can go back and review the system. Some of the other features of the system, while the preferences are for this tablet settings, we can go to the configuration menu, and it'll give you a warning. You can mess up the settings for other people on the system. This is what we're calling the setup or configuration menu. This allows you to log into our OverWatch systems over the network. And what it does is it provides you with a bunch of different options to tweak how the system behaves. You'll notice some of the most important ones are frame rate, quality, different detection thresholds. Up here in configuration, it's how it reports itself on ATAC and MCH. We have some other ones. If you're trying to set up your network, you want to manage how often it's publishing things, and also what IP address, net mask, DHCP, gateway, all those values. Our system also presents its situational awareness COT messages, broadcasts them out over the system. We will be able to see those in ATAC or MCH. There's also, you can hit factory defaults to reset your system back to the original settings that you received it in. So that concludes how to use the OverWatch standalone app.